The average workday for me can really vary a lot from day to day. I can be doing finish work, I could be doing framing. One of the things that I take pride in is keeping my truck well stocked and ready to go. You know, there's those certain days where you finish up a job. I think they call it a Friday truck when you throw everything in there. But the first thing Saturday morning is open up the back of the truck and clean it out, get organized. It's going to make the day go a lot smoother. So if you go into my truck, my miter saw, go to the front, left-hand side, middle rack, I have my cordless miter saw. If it's a bigger job, then I usually have my 12-inch slider tucked around in the front left. And then my cordless table saw is above that. I have 4 nail guns on the bottom left, and I can tell you it's framing gun, 15 gauge nailer, brad nailer, stapler, batteries are all above. And by knowing exactly where it is and where it goes back, I can tell anyone to go on my truck and grab that tool, grab a battery, and come back. If they need to know fasteners, back right side, center shelf, it just makes everything more efficient. Having things organized without a doubt helps keep track of the consumables like fasteners, nails, screws, glue. As you see those get low, you make a mental note, okay, I need to pick up some more stainless finish nails. Next time you grab it, and try and get the hard plastic cases so I can just keep refilling that. And when I go into my truck and it's organized, that translates to going on an ask strip and having the right tools. I'm not digging through boxes or piles of junk. I can see everything, and that's how I like to have it set up. I would never put a sticker on the outside of my truck, but I do have some cabinets on the inside. And I think my favorite sticker I have is when you open the door, it says this door must remain open during work hours, and it's just kind of ironic, something quirky. I think that my truck is set up exactly how I would like it to be. It's got a lot of room. I can put a lot of material inside it. I got room on top that I can bring lumber into a job site if I need to. If I demo a small deck, I got enough room that I can load it up and bring it to the dump. I kind of wish everything in my life was that organized, but I really just take pride in having a clean truck that is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.